Meta Business Suite pulls its language from your personal Facebook account, so here's how to change it in just a couple of minutes. Open the regular Facebook website in your browser, not Business Suite. You should see your Facebook news feed. Click on your profile picture or the downward-facing arrow in the top right corner. A drop-down menu will appear. Click on Settings and Privacy. The menu will expand to show more options. Click on Settings. This takes you to the Facebook settings page with a left sidebar menu. Find and click on Language and Region in the left sidebar. You'll see a globe icon next to it. Look for the line that says Language of Buttons, Titles, and Other Text on Facebook. On the far right, you'll see your current language. Click the Edit button next to it. A drop-down menu will appear with all available languages listed in alphabetical order. Find and click on your preferred language. Click the blue Save button below the drop-down. Your entire Facebook interface will immediately refresh and display in the new language. Meta Business Suite will now use this language too. If the interface doesn't update immediately, do a hard refresh of your browser tab. That's Control plus Shift plus R on Windows or Command plus Shift plus R on Mac. The change applies across all Meta services, but only on this device. If you use Business Suite on other devices, you'll need to repeat this process on each one. Close and reopen the Meta Business Suite app on mobile to ensure the language change takes effect there as well. Thanks for watching.